Alright, we are back for another metal crate, or this unboxing, and yeah, I love it. Great stuff. You're a metalhead, made by metalheads, for metalheads, loved by metalheads. It is an amazing thing. It is an amazing amount of content for a pretty good price, especially where you are. You get usually 2 CDs, patches, t-shirts, sometimes more. You know, it's pretty great, and you get to hear some great bands. I've found so many bands that I've just fallen in love with from this alone, so it's worth it. Only downside is sometimes it's hard to open. No, I was going to put those in the bin. Alright, what have we got? Oh, we got a pin. Oh, we get pins too. Make sure that's everything. Yep. Ooh. Cavalera, or Sepultura. So you get a Sepultura tip pin, recently remade by the Cavalera brothers, and I recently saw them live. Heard that album live. Good stuff. Good stuff. What else do we get? Ooh, alright. Let's have a look. We got Necrodepic Slaughter Ripping Fresh. Ooh. Probably thrash. I kind of pick the thrash metal stuff, so I usually get more thrashy stuff, which I like. But you basically get a bit of everything, but that is pretty damn good, I must say. Like I said, you find some great bands in this. Old, new, whatever you want. Ooh, Intoxicated? Under the Sign of the Red Light. Ooh, that looks fun. They just look so sick. 10 out of 10 right there. 100% good stuff right there. And we get the t-shirt. So it is a bit rare. Sometimes they'll give us pins and patches, and sometimes they won't. They used to give us patches in every single one. I don't know why they changed that, but then again, I think they said that they were changing stuff around just so they could get more, I guess, more cooler CDs. I don't know, but either way, when you do get a pin and patch, it's pretty great. So King Diamond, I think it's King Diamond. No, is that Dimmu Borgir? Hang on. It's Dimmu Borgir. I thought it was King Diamond for some reason. I don't know why I thought it was King Diamond. It looks like King Diamond. I don't know. Either way, it's a good shirt. Dimmu Borgir's are great. Good stuff right there. Good t-shirts, good stuff, good CDs, good amount of content for what you pay for, which is like, depending on where you are, is, I mean, look, in Australia, these would cost you about $50, maybe 40 if you get them on special. These, $10. So, t-shirt, another 40, $50. So, honestly, and the t-shirts are good quality. Like, I've been to places where the t-shirts cost you $50, $55, and they are terrible. So, good stuff for what you pay for. Anyway, Aussie Viking out. See you later. Have a good one. See you in Valhalla, and get yourself a metal crate.